Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking to you about Bank of Hawaii and more specifically how you can order checks for your Bank of Hawaii checking account. Before we get started, just a little bit of background on what a check is. It's a physical piece of paper that's linked to your bank account. You can use this to pay someone or a company, and the way that it works is you write the check and then you give it to the person that you're paying. They will then deposit the check into their bank account, and once they do that, the money will be taken out of your account and deposited into theirs. So now that we have kind of an understanding on what checks are and how they're used, I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can order them. Before we get started, you will need to have a voided check or something else, such as a bank statement, that has your Bank of Hawaii bank account number and routing number on it. First thing you're going to do is open your web browser and type in the bank web address. Now you can use Safari, Chrome, Firefox, Explorer, whatever browser you normally use on your phone will work just fine. I'm going to be using Safari in this video. As you can see, I'm already on the Bank of Hawaii website, and you can see the web address at the top of the screen, boh.com. You can also check out the description for the link to Bank of Hawaii. So the first way to order your replacement checks is going to be by logging on to your Bank of Hawaii account online. To do this, you're going to look for the sign on button, which is located at the top right of the screen. You'll see a yellow icon that looks like a lock with the words sign on underneath. So you'll click on that, and then that'll bring you to this little window here where you can enter your user ID, click sign on, and then it'll prompt you to enter your password. If you don't have a user ID and password, there's a little link here that says enroll. You can click that link and then just follow the instructions on the screen to complete the enrollment process. Once you're logged in, you're going to go to banking options and then order online if available. Usually, banks do charge a fee for checks, and it's normally a set price, but be sure to look for any banking promos that include free checks if you have a certain type of account. The second way to order checks is going to be by calling the customer service number for Bank of Hawaii. You can usually find this phone number located on the back of your Bank of Hawaii debit card, and that's probably going to be the easiest place to find this phone number. You can also look for a Contact Us page on the Bank of Hawaii website, but that can sometimes be a little bit tricky to find and not so straightforward. So if you happen to know of any other ways to find this phone number, please be sure to let me know in the comments. I do also want to let you know that there is sometimes an additional fee to use this service to order checks, and that's something that the customer service representative will be able to lay out for you when you speak with them. Third and final way to order checks is going to be through third-party vendor websites. To do this, you'll go to google.com and do a search for order replacement checks for Bank of Hawaii. I already have a Google tab open, and I've typed into the search bar order replacement checks for Bank of Hawaii. What this does is it brings up several third-party vendor websites that you can use to order your checks. A couple of these websites are Checks Unlimited and Bradford Exchange Checks. Those are both pretty popular websites, and just a couple examples of the many websites that you can use. Do be aware that prices and security features will vary when ordering online through a third-party vendor, so if you happen to know of any other good, reputable third-party vendors to order checks from, please let me know in the comment section. Ordering checks this way is also where your voided check will come in handy, because you'll need to have your exact Bank of Hawaii routing number and account number. Unlike when you order from the Bank of Hawaii website or through customer service, those numbers won't be automatically loaded and you'll have to enter them yourself. So those are the 3 ways that you can order checks. I hope that you found this useful, and please be sure to check out the description for more information about Bank of Hawaii.